Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to delete your TikTok account. I'll explain the process clearly so you know exactly what happens when you delete it. So, let's begin. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app installed from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open it and log into the account you want to delete. Now go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap three lines at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Next, under the account section, tap on account. Here you will see an option called deactivate or delete account. Tap it. Now TikTok will give you two choices. Deactivate account. This is temporary. Your account will be hidden but you can come back anytime by logging it again. Delete account. This is permanent. All your videos, likes and followers will be gone for forever. If you choose delete account, TikTok will ask you to confirm. You may also need to verify your account by email, phone or password. And I have given you the example exactly like this. Once confirmed, your account will be first deactivated for 30 days. If you don't log back in during that time, it will be permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how you delete your TikTok account step by step. Remember, if you just want a break, choose deactivate, but if you sure, go ahead with delete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take